What's going down, people? I'm still in London viewing apartments. I'm not going to be back in the office till Wednesday. It's my little portable setup down here. Can I even zoom? Can't even zoom. I tried to. I'm on the iPhone right now. Welcome back to another clip of the Make Money Making Videos podcast. In today's clip, we're going to be talking about how to start getting video clients. Me and Tom are talking through it. Without further ado, enjoy the clip. Welcome back to the Make Money Making Videos podcast. So, how'd you get the first artist to shoot? That was just in school, right?
Yeah, the first artist I did was my longtime best mate. I've been best mates with him like 10 years.
Yep.
I went to primary school with him. I didn't go to the same secondary school because he's not local, but he's like 20-minute drive-ish.
Yeah.
Yeah, I did the first shoot with him as part of my college project. I was like, yeah, I'll do this for free if you come help me out, do my college project with me.
Cool.
And we made a sick video. And then from that, it was like, now I've got experience, I can show people, yo, have you got any content? No, I haven't. A month later now I've done that. Yeah, have you got any content? Yeah, watch this.
Yep.
Man, I like it. Do you want to do a vid? Yeah, sure.
Mm-hmm.
It's like once you've got that first piece of content, everyone's like, wow, he must be doing something. He's got content.
Yeah. It's a sample, isn't it? So it's like...
That's all you need. You just need one. Just do one free piece of work. Once you've done one, that's it. You've got other work.
Yeah, that's exactly how it was when I was getting into my club stuff, man. Seriously, it's like, all we needed was one good sample, and then we could show that to people and be like, yeah, I charge £50 for the night. Where it's like, I'd never been paid £1 for the night, but I was like, yeah, this is my sample and this is my price. And they're like, oh, cool. I could see the product and I could see, you say this is how much you charge. Cool, come along. And then they'd get me into the event, and then I'd make them an after movie for, 50 quid, and then I built up from there, right? And, I couldn't get paid before I had that first sample of, of actually the finished product, essentially, right? People want to see what they're paying for at the end of the day.
The first piece of work's always the most important one, because it's what's going to get you the rest of the work.
Mm-hmm.
If you don't have a good sample, you could do your first piece of work for free, and you could be like, oh, it's free, I'm not going to put much effort into it, I'm just doing it, get by. Once I've done it, I'll start getting paid. But if you put effort into it and it looks really good, you're going to get paid more for your next video.
100%.
You're going to get paid as much as you want.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, well, that's the thing, man. You just state how much, like the best strategy is just to state it as if that's how much you get paid, just going forward. Like, oh yeah, I charge this amount. It's like, you could have never been paid a penny for this before, but just like, have that confidence in yourself. This is how much I charge. This is how much a video from me costs. And state it matter-of-factly.
I went to Birmingham to do a shoot like 2 weekends ago. Yeah, 2 weekends ago.
Yeah.
It was like on a Sunday. And I was doing that video for free. And then some guys in their gang was like, yo, you're sick, man. I really like this. Do you want to do a video? Yeah. How much do you charge? 60. I wasn't charging them 60. I was just charging that guy 60.
Exactly.
It's just... I turn up and suddenly that guy thinks I'm charging 60 for everyone, but it's just him.
Exactly, and that's the pricing strategy, is you keep leveling up. And that's why, it's wonderful, this sort of area, because you have to fucking love this shit to be able to do it for long enough that you eventually build it up to the thousands that I'm sure you'll be able to get paid in a couple years once you built it up and once you've built a fat track record, mate. You know what I mean? And this is it. Talk a little bit about that, mate, literally, because I think some people come into this video production space in a weird manner, what people think is just for making money. Because it's portrayed on the internet as something, I guess, that anyone could do. Maybe because everyone's got a phone in their pocket, they think it's so easily accessible, but...
That's your fault. You're going around saying anyone could do video stuff. You've got an iPhone. Anyone could do it. That's your fault.
You're right. That's basically my fucking angle, to be honest. But I mean, anybody can do it. But I think anybody shouldn't be starting it to get paid. Some people think it's like fucking answering surveys on the internet, where it's like, oh, this is a fucking you just make money on the internet. Sweet. You know what I mean? Like people misunderstand it a little. Exactly, right? Like that nonsense fucking answer 10 surveys, we'll give you $1, some shit like that. You know what I mean? People think it's one of these weird things right here. But you got any advice to people getting into the music videos, right?
It's honestly, if you don't enjoy music videos, or if you don't enjoy doing video stuff, there's no point getting into it.
Mm-hmm.
Like, it's good money, but honestly, it's stress.
Yeah.
It's like, I saw you said something about stress earlier, and it's not real stress because of like people going through worse things.
Yeah.
And it honestly, it's stress, but at the end of the day, it's not the easiest job. It just looks like an easy job because you're going around telling everyone it is.
Yeah.
But it's not. It's not that easy. It's not that hard though. It's not like going into an office 9 till 5.
Yeah.
Writing down loads of paper. work,
or
staying 3
manual
hours late and
labor or
everything. It's
some
like
shit like
you
that.
work in your own time.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like you're your own boss. You work in your own time and everything. If you're enjoying it, it's a fucking amazing job. If you're enjoying it, it's great. If you don't enjoy it and you're just doing it for the money, you're gonna hate it because of the stress. But the stress, it's enjoyable sometimes.
Micro
it's like,
stress.
Oh, this guy's like, oh, moaning at me. Oh, can you get this trailer to me for 12? Oh, mate, this guy keeps moaning to me to get in this trailer like for 12. I'll get it in like 2 or something.
Yeah.
I don't care. It's not my thing. I'll just tell someone else about it, and then that guy's like, yeah, the guy said he'll get it you for 2. I wanted it for 12. Well, he said 2.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's just a bit of fun. It's a bit of fun seeing people complain.
That's a fact, mate. Seriously, I think people might take it too serious, and that's where they go wrong, right? If you're taking anything too serious, taking yourself too serious, taking the whole process too serious, you're going to go wrong. But at the end of the day, you know, you're doing them a fucking favor. 60 quid for a music video is giving away a music video at the end of the day, you know what I mean? Especially free, right? So it's like you're dictating what's going on here. These people can fucking adapt to your schedule.
They're paying more to get the feature. They're paying like 150 to get the feature on JDZ or something.
Yeah, exactly.
And then they're giving me 60, and they're like, yo, get this video to me by Sunday. No, I'll get it to you by Tuesday.
Yeah, exactly.
I told these guys it'd be 2 weeks.
Yeah.
They're belling me every day. Yo, when's this vid doing? When's this vid doing?
2 weeks, buddy.
It'll be done in 2 weeks.
Yeah, what I told you, bro.
You know, it'll be done this day. I told you when it would be done.
Yep.
That's when it's done. I'm not giving it you any earlier. Even if it's done this Thursday, I'm not sending it you until 2 weeks.
Yeah, especially if you're calling me every 2 seconds, man. That's for fucking sure. I'm gonna finish the video early and just hang on to it. So